Hello, and welcome to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add a file to your favorites in the OneDrive app on an Android phone. This is a simple and useful feature to quickly access important files whenever you need them. Let's get started. First, open the OneDrive app on your Android phone. Next, make sure you're in the My Files section. Scroll to find the file you want to add to favorites. After that, tap the three dots next to the file name to open the menu. Now select Add to Favorites from the options. Finally, to view all your favorite files, tap Photos at the top, then select Favorites. Here, you will find all the files you have added to your favorites list. That's how you can easily add files to favorites in the OneDrive app on Android. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more helpful tips.